Hello everyone. Welcome to my new HTML tutorial. Today I will show you how to create a HTML table. For example, we will create a table for Group A World Cup standing. HTML tables allow web developers to arrange data into rows and columns. A table in HTML consists of table cells inside rows and columns. Element which we will use is the table element. So we will create an open and one closed table tag. Under open table tag, I will add caption element. Caption will be shown above the table and it contains some text that describes table. For example, I will create table for Group A World Cup standing. So I will add caption, Group A standings. Next, I will create cells in table. First, I will open tr tag which defines a row in an HTML table. A tr element contains one or more th or td elements. Th tag defines a header cell in an HTML table. I will put it inside tr element. I will write here team. I will create 5 more tr elements. I will write here match played. Wins. Draw. Loses. Points. Next, I will add few more informations in table using the td tag. Td tag defines a standard data cell in an HTML table. Under the tr element, I will add a new tr element and inside tr element I will add a td element. This element contains name of the first team, which is Netherlands. Next, I will add next data in new td element. That's the data for the column match played. Netherlands played 3. Wins, 2. Draws, 1. Loses, 0. Points, 7. I will copy this part of code. Next, I will add Senegal. Three. 2. 0. One. 6. Now, I will add Ecuador. 3. And for the end, Qatar. 3. 0. Let's see our page. Okay, we have the table. Now I will define the width of the table to be 400 pixels, and I will add some border of 4 pixels. I will change the color of the table using BG color attribute. I will set the color value of EFF5FF. Now, I can change the color to green and bold of the first and second team which passed the group. I will use font tag, attribute color equals green and B tag. Similar, I can change the color to red and bold of the third and fourth team which didn't pass the group. I will use font tag, attribute color equals red and B tag. Run the code. We created nice table. Excellent. Next video about tables is coming out soon. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.